up, guys? Alright, we got this whirlpool that we have to, that's something bad there. We got this whirlpool, we got to put this wire harness. I don't have a video of this one from the beginning because this one actually, I've had to repair this unit twice for the same thing because someone tried to break into it, and in the process of doing so they broke the little harness that goes inside. So then I had replaced it, and behold, he broke into it again. The same thing happened again. So this is the second wire harness that we're replacing on this guy in like an increment of maybe 3 months. So it should be fairly easy. So let's see. Oh, by the way, in case you guys are wondering, let's see here. Here's the part. It's the part there. You guys need it. And right, for those who are wondering, the model number for this one is CAE as in Echo 2745 FQ1. Serial number is CB as in boy 4800033. And it's a whirlpool. So let's open this bad boy up. Put this harness on there. We should be good to go. So, by the way, anytime you guys are messing with anything, make sure you unplug it so you don't die. It's straight up. All right. For a minute there, I thought someone was already messing with this one. Come on. There. Okay, so this guy. We're going to have to remove the security screws off the control panel. This one actually has 4 of them. T25. Oh no, it's not the T25. T20. There we go. This one's a T20. And this one's a T20 security screw. Matter of fact, I showed this the last time and it was really blurry, but that's what it looks like right there. Let's see. Focus, you stupid camera. There we go. That guy. That's it right there. And has to have that little hole. There we go. All right. This one comes out, and bring the camera here. So this guy here is the harness that I had to replace. So it comes off of this guy here, and it goes down. There it comes out here. It's this guy right here. So we just disconnect this bad boy. Pull. Oh, make sure it's not stuck. And pull this guy out. Like that. Disconnect this one. That's it. We'll get the other one here. Same one. And same thing. Just reinsert it back on there. Let me put you guys back over here. Some your hands. Good? Yeah. Okay. So, this one. And also you'll see that on one side has 4 pins, and the other side also has 4, but one side is a male, one side is a female. Okay, so let's start with this guy. My understanding is this person was not too happy when they charged him or billed them for the damages. Connected on the back, so it's supposed to be. Alright. Thought I heard fire alarms. keep it there just in case it happens again. I have something to get them by. Keys do not want to cooperate sometimes. There we go. I guess it would cooperate if I had the right key, right? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we're done here. Hope everybody had a fantastic time. And till the next time. Peace.